What's up, guys? We're back on the same day doing stuff. We just did the
literally just filmed an outro.
Yeah, no, literally just filmed an outro for yesterday's video, but we've decided to do 2 videos, otherwise it's just gonna be way too long. But today, we're doing my second ever Turboside intake, which is sick. Well, I've done a Maculec one before, but never done an Antz one before.
Alright.
Very similar. Are you all good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, sweet. So we're going to be working on Jacob's stock XR6 Turbo at the moment, and yeah, today we're going to be pretty much finishing off, well, sort of the rest of the engine bay mods that he sort of has done already for his car. Not only are we going to be doing the Turboside intake, we also have intercooler piping, so front bar is going to come completely off, headlight's going to come out.
Wish we had the intercooler today.
Huh?
Wish we had the intercooler today.
It'd be nice, but it's okay. So yeah, Jacob's got to get started with taking off the battery.
No, I'm not.
Which is maybe when he gets the right tool. And yeah, pretty much what the Turboside intake does, if you guys don't know, cleans up the entire engine bay, and stupid design by Ford. You have the airbox normally sitting over here. Oh, don't mind this. I accidentally put that in beforehand. Accidentally. I accidentally fitted up the power cable.
We said we were going to do. We've already done that.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, the airbox normally sits here, which we've already taken out. We've already taken out pretty much a lot of the piping up there, which is pretty simple. Battery's coming out as we speak.
Oh, that's interesting. They've got ducting on that side.
Yeah, which I find is really weird. They have a little duct.
It's a standard FG thing.
Yeah.
They have like a little duct that comes down from
have a look at this.
car.
Oh, and that goes
and
into
they cool the battery.
Yeah, right. That's cool.
But the battery's enclosed with. Oh no, it's got a little.
No, it's got a little.
Ah, there you go. Very cool. So yes,
Guess
anyway,
we don't do that anymore.
the air goes in the side here, normally goes all the way over the top of the hot engine, goes through the hot turbo, goes through the intercooler, which basically on these things does nothing, and then goes back up and into the throttle body, which cracks. Now, it's a stupid design.
It's my favourite factory thing.
Yeah. So what we're going to be pretty much doing is changing the airbox over to this side right here, going with a 3-inch intake into the turbo, and then the turbo goes straight over, not across the hot engine, straight through the intercooler, and then up through that side there. Makes servicing and everything a whole lot easier, cleans up the entire engine bay, and makes this thing sound so sick. So I miss my little 3576, because it sounds so cool.
I'll trade you.
Yeah, it's cool.
It sounds good.
I'll trade.
I'll be right, thanks. But yeah, also today we're going to find out whether Jacob's car has a bigger turbo on it. Should be interesting. What are you doing down there? What are you doing?
Pulling the battery tray out.
No, that stays there.
Oh, okay, cool. Sounds good to me.
Okay, alright, I'm going to put the camera down and let's do some more. Yeah, just pull it. There you go, cool. That's off and that will never go back on. So this is another one of those pipes that if you don't get on properly, especially the alloy ones, well, basically these pipes here, they're made of plastic. You can kind of already see there.
Oh.
Like, Jacob.
Wow.
Come have a look at this. This is basically where all the hot air instantly goes. Look at this.
Holy
So
crap.
that's really hard, right?
Whoa!
How crazy is that?
Yeah, okay.
Yours was about ready to split, I reckon.
Wow.
Never
Yeah.
seen one that loose.
Oh, wow, okay.
So,
That's like turning to rubber.
yeah, so
Maybe they turn me clock back.
we basically get rid of this and throw it straight in the bin. Okay, so
Yeah.
turn off just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep. And you just sit it down as soon as it's there.
Yep.
Because then you have to pull the bubble out. Which is just those 2 clips and pull them out.
Boggies have to come out down here.
Like that. Doing a hand?
Yeah. Oh. Oh no, that's not what I want to do.
I mean, you could actually do that. There you go.
Oh,
Done.
okay.
Cool.
And then lift the bar away, right?
Yep. Cool.
Yeah, right.
We'll put it down the outside here, actually. Rightio, so we got the whole entire front end of the car off, bumper off, lights off, everything. So now it's time. Just going to ignore that for a second.
I'll cover the beer brand name as well.
Yeah, cover the beer brand name. We don't want to be sponsored by them. But yes, anyway, that's going to sit up sort of out the way. So now we can pretty much
Just
install.
ignore how it's taped for now.
Yeah, we're going to
Just
fix
there
it.
because, yeah.
We're going to fix it. We're going to fix it. We will put zip ties around it too, so
Oh yeah.
yes.
Yeah, makes it way better.
But yeah, now we have to install the plate that sits at the flat piece here, and then the cover that sits over the top, and then before we put the cover on, we'll install the 3-inch pipe that sits on here, that fits between there and there, and then also the alloy piece that fits between there and there.
May I mention the turbo is also really healthy.
It is. Look at. I've never seen a stock turbo. Oh, you guys can't really see it. Look at that. I've never seen a stock turbo spin so well and like sound so
For a
nice
sleeve bearing turbo, yeah.
in my life. So that's awesome. So yeah, we'll just fit up that little section there, that section there, that section there, this little bit right here, and then put the filter in, and then do the cover on, and then pretty much the whole turbo side is done apart from connecting the battery. And yeah, we also need some sandpaper to sand down our earth. So do you have some of that?
Yeah, I've got some.
Cool, sweet. So we can do that. Awesome. We'll get to work.
So first piece of the intake's going in. We had a little bit of trouble because the Antz kit itself actually forgot the 3-inch and 4-inch hose clamps. Luckily, the stock intake had a heap of them on them.
Yeah.
So we could just steal some of those.
That was no worries at all.
Whack her on, brother.
On. It's going to be a little bit annoying.
So another thing I forgot to mention is Antz, when they originally brought these kits out, actually didn't have this rubber lip around the edge of the intake.
So needy.
And
Need it.
yeah, but now that they've updated those kits, they're wicked.
Schmicko. Rightio, so the Turboside kit is on. Looks great. All the rubber sort of stuff is around there, which I really love, and I really love the way that these look. They look so good. It's clean off all of our fingerprints. But now it's time for the easy bit, which is the cooler piping. Really?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Needed to test it.
So Liam actually works as a delivery driver for Domino's in Newcastle, in Toronto.
Toronto, yeah.
There you go. So we've got to try and get it done. What time do you go to work? How many hours? How many minutes?
An hour and a bit.
Oh, sweet. We'll get that done easy. So quickly chuck all of the intercooler piping back on, and then we can dose her up.
Hell yeah.
Dude, it's
Hell
gonna be
yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, they're pretty big. I was gonna put this on one. Yeah, let's see. The good thing is that we need to work on these. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, we need to do it.
Rightio, here she is. Yeah, it's good. Liam's happy. There you go. Sounds good, hey? Heaps louder?
Oh yeah, it's way louder.
Yeah. Oh man. Sounds good.
She helps it.
Turbo sounds heaps healthy too.
You hope so.
Yeah, definitely. Well, now that's all done. The only thing we've lost is that one bolt there. Got all the piping kit in. Man, it's an absolute...
Oh, it's horrible.
It's a challenge, isn't it?
Piping kit is a challenge.
Yeah.
This bit right here.
Oh, man.
Look at... So this bit right here, you can see where the, like, the thing is right there. Where that little bulge is.
Yeah.
I just... Yeah. It's on. It's on.
That's good.
It'll work, but... There's a little bit, there's some spots where it does rub, like this bit here doesn't move at all because it's already hitting the intake manifold, but there's not much room down there. And pretty much the only thing you do is put a little piece of foam right there to stop that from rubbing, but apart from that, she's good to go.
Yeah.
Front bumper back on, take it for a test drive.
Cool.
Sounds good. Rightio guys. So I know I didn't film much, and it was pretty much a lot of just time-lapse stuff, but we're back. I'm gonna go for a bit of a test drive. It's gonna be sick. Rightio, so this will be a hell of a lot different from what you're used to.
Yeah. Wow, that is loud. It's really loud.
So
okay.
good, isn't it? Yeah. That's wicked.
That is a lot louder than before.
You wait till you get up it. Just
Hold still.
gradually hold, like carrying the boost, just to make sure those hose clamps are tight.
Yeah.
Then
Bloody hell, that's loud.
you like it, eh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's too fun.
It's too
I wanna go
good,
through
eh?
so much fuel.
That's good. Was that full throttle?
Almost.
Yeah, cool. So that cooler piping should hold really nicely.
Yeah, get a lot of those.
Oop, it popped.
We popped.
Aw, sad. Yeah, I think it was that main one that I knew of.
That's so annoying.
Yeah. We're looking out for something shining in the road. There was definitely a hose clamp on it, I swear. That's the side that I did.
Should have been, yeah.
It was about here-ish.
Maybe a bit further back, yeah.
Oh, sad, Zach. We got heaps. That's alright.
Oh yeah, losing is not an issue.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know why. It was on. We checked it. It fell off, but it was actually the bit. It's like the most inconvenient spot. But yeah, we'll be able to fix it and find out. I missed this beautiful 3576 noise. It's so pretty. Bang! It literally was the funniest sound.
It was like throwing a rock against a gong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was funny. But yeah, no, we'll jump back home. We'll quickly put that hose clamp back on, then we should be sweet. So yeah, I'm gonna try and find. I definitely did not put that hose clamp on. So yeah, we'll find out. We'll figure it out.
This gauge is working.
It's weird how no hose clamp is holding that much boost.
No, yeah. That was only 5 pounds of boost.
Okay. That's cool then. Very cool. After severely burning my hands,
Yeah, I have to take it
twice,
off now.
just joking, we're gonna go to a little tiny airbase, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little old airbase.
Sweet.
Oh,
we might
old airbase.
get photos down there Monday.
Yeah.
It'd be sick one afternoon. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe we could take my new 4-wheel-drive Euro thing
Yeah,
down
maybe.
there too. Whatever I buy.
Yeah,
So
maybe.
yes. Oh yes, that'd be so good.
Camera.
Without spinning, that'd be nice.
Holy crap.
That's
now.
a bit better.
Yeah.
That's wicked. I love it when it does that big one.
Yeah.
That's wicked. That's going to be a quote in my comments. I love it when it does the big old.
The big one.
If someone can put that into a quote in the comments, I'll be very happy. That's heaps better now. I love it. These bushings feel good too.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, this is a great car. Woohoo!